In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar link and add it to a calendar ICS file, then share it via any email platform. So let's dive right in and get started with these simple yet crucial steps. First, open up your web browser and go to your Google Calendar. You can do this by simply typing Google Calendar into your search bar or going to calendar.google.com directly. Once you're here, locating the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen is your next move. This icon represents the settings option that we need to delve into to begin the process. Click on the gear icon and from the drop-down menu choose Settings. This will navigate you to a new page where you'll find various settings for your calendar. On the left side you'll see a list under Settings for My Calendars. Here you need to find and click on the specific calendar you want to share. It's important to choose the correct calendar, especially if you manage multiple calendars. This is where you ensure you're sharing the right one. Now let's move to the next step. After clicking on your chosen calendar, you'll see a section titled Integrate Calendar. This area is our primary focus. Here, you'll see multiple options, but what we're looking for specifically is the public address in iCal format. This particular link is the key to sharing your calendar details with others. It allows recipients to integrate your calendar into their own, making collaboration and scheduling easier. With the link now in plain sight, the next step is to simply copy it. You can do this by highlighting the link and using the right-click option on your mouse to select copy, or by using the keyboard shortcut Control, Command, +C, depending on the type of device you are using. It's always a good habit to double check the link to ensure it's copied correctly. Finally, it's time to share this link via email. Open your email platform and draft a new message to your intended recipients. Paste the link into the body of your email using the paste option or the keyboard shortcut Control or Command +V. Add a friendly note if you wish to let them know what the link entails and ensure clarity on why you're sharing it. This step is crucial for seamless communication and effective calendar sharing. And there you have it, a straightforward process to create a Google Calendar link and add it to a calendar ICS file ready to be shared via email. With this guide you can effortlessly organize, share schedules and stay connected. Don't forget to check back for more helpful tech tips and tutorials to streamline your digital life.